Oh, they're going to come in the side door.
First of all, thank you. Yeah, I'm so mic'd. I know, we were worried back in the library that it was going to go on. How did I do? Oh, beloved, I cannot wait to be your senior minister. Thank you for this moment and this vote and this vision. I'm so excited for all we'll do together. On Friday, I was in the sanctuary with Robin Kempster, who I think has gone to help Will. Oh, she's right here. Thank you, Robin. And we were up in that balcony, and I had a vision. And in my vision from God, every pew was full of people from every walk of life, people of every color and station and variety, and there was a feeling of joy pervading, and then the angels began to sing, and then I realized the pews actually were full of people from all over the world, because it was the children's chorus, of course. But I thought, this is going to be our beloved community. It's coming. It's here and it's coming. It's already and it's not yet. And we've taken one great stride, God-sized stride into that future today. So thank you, bless you. I can't wait to know you and love you individually and all together. And let's go get started. Amen? Amen. Amen.